Hi folks, in today's video we are going to be making a schmaltz from scratch together, and that is very simple. Making schmaltz from scratch. Before we get into the schmaltz making process from start to finish, let's talk about what it is exactly. Schmaltz is what tallow is to cows and what lard is to pigs. It is rendered down chicken fat that is used in cooking to fry, bake, saute and roast. Because of its high smoke point, 190 degrees Celsius to be exact, it is great as a substitute for seed oils often used for frying. It makes for a great golden finish on roasted vegetables and can also be used as a butter substitute in baking, though I would advise to only do that in savory bakes. We grow our meat birds on pasture on the farm, and that makes a real difference in the nutritional value. Here is a table showcasing the, might I say, shocking difference. When we slaughter our meat birds, we collect all the abdominal fat from the birds. This fat is more prevalent in hens than in roosters due to their hormonal makeup, and also due to the fact that they need more fat storage to regulate their egg production. Once we have collected a decent amount, usually around 2 kilograms or so, we pop that in the fridge to harden it up a little. Once it's hard, you can now slice it up into small chunks. The smaller, the better. Fill a large pot with a generous amount of water, add the fat bits into the pan, and on a low flame let the whole simmer until the fat has rendered down. You will be left with little bits of grey sinew, which you will sieve out using a fine sieve. This whole process usually takes up to an hour or so. The warm water and melted fat now need to be placed in the fridge in order for the fat to turn solid once more. Once the fat is solid, you can now pour off the water. Make sure that as much water as possible is drained from the fat, and then heat the fat back up. The now liquid warm fat can be transferred for storage into sterile jars. And there you have it, schmaltz. If you like this video and you want to learn how to grow your own meat birds, check out this video, or if you want to see how we cook with schmaltz and get inspired by some recipes, check out this video.